Todd, tell us more about Shine Humanity. What's Shine Humanity?
Shine Humanity is an organization that I founded with Layla Karamali and Dr. Salman Naqvi and Dr. Adila Ahsan and several other Pakistani Americans from Southern California area to provide sustainable health care to villages in Pakistan, rural areas that traditionally do not have good health care. It's a very neglected healthcare system in the rural areas. And we started after the earthquake of 2005 with an organization called Comprehensive Disaster Response Services, CDRS, which has been registered since just after the earthquake under the Societies Act of Pakistan as a social welfare nonprofit society. And in 2009 we registered in California as Shine Humanity. The group of doctors and philanthropists and social workers who supported CDRS decided to formalize and register in the United States as an organization that would go beyond what CDRS does, which is disaster relief, and start working on sustainable healthcare development. So Shine Humanity actually stands for Sustainable Healthcare Initiatives Now Empowering Humanity. And we are working on sustainable healthcare mechanisms through social insurance and community networks and public-private partnerships between government and the community and our charitable organizations and partners. And we also did a deployment in Haiti after the earthquake. We were there for 3 months in partnership with the Islamic Medical Association of North America and on-ground field partners in Haiti. And so that's basically what we're doing. And you can find out more about us at www.shinehumanity.org. Thank you.